In this tutorial, we are building a journey to send message on Slack when a new media is posted on Instagram. So let's start. Select Instagram as trigger. Next, choose new media as trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on link an account. Now in steps, we will add a new message to channel via Slack. For that, select Slack. Choose send message to channel as action. Select an existing connection and click on link an account. Next, select the channel. Add message from app data tree. Select message to user or bot as yes. We are ready with our journey. Click on save changes and start journey. Now to check the output, go to Instagram. After uploading the image, refresh the page. We can see an image is uploaded. Now go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Now go to Slack. You will see a new message with details of the new Insta post has been added. In this way, we can build an automation journey to send message on Slack when new media is posted on Instagram. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.